You are now watching
Maybach music.
Ross. We're doing Rick Ross. Let's jump right into this. Let's get this going. Look at him.
Maybach music.
Look at him. There you go. Let's get it. So we picked this face, kind of chubby. You already know the boss is chubby. You know, bosses eat good. You already know they're big. So pick that right there. And then we pick that tone, skin tone. You can change it if you want, but I think that's perfect. Go to hairstyle. He did grow out his hair. This is a Rick Ross version of 2018. So I don't know. You want to make him bald? Go for it. That's mainly what he's been for the past since he's been in the game. So you know, in the rap game. But anyways, go to here, eyebrows, pick those. Position. Pause the video. Get the stats. Copy these stats, and you'll get good results. Let's go move on to the eyes. Can't see the eyes. He always wears those thick, those really dark shades, so you won't be able to see them. But you pick those. Copy this anyways, because if you don't want him with the shades, you can have him without the shades. Let's go to the nose. Got that nose going on. Rose.
Maybach music.
And then pick that one right there. You know what I'm saying? Copy the stats. Pause the video if you have to. That's the color. And then facial hair is pretty obvious. Got that Rick Ross going on. Okay, position right there. Just add that thick layer. And then mole. The mole is the closest thing we'll get to tattoos. Alright, if you've been watching my Me character series, you know that the moles are the tattoos. So there you go. He's got a little tattoo going on there. So just copy that. Just adds a little detail. That's all it is. And then the body is obvious. He's huge. You know what I'm saying? The boss. And then final edit is the shades. He wears these a lot. He's shaped. Just edit. Just copy that. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. And there you have Rick Ross, the boss.